Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a SILVEL welding machine. I took it out of the box just because the box has labels and stuff all over it. And this is what it looks like here. So it's gonna plug in through here. Let me just open this up and I'll show you guys how this will work. It's called the MIG 140 by SILVEL. Okay, so we have our cord. We have a spool of wire. This one here is gonna be a feeded one. So it'll feed through there. Okay, it looks like, how's it going to feed? It feeds to the bottom on this one here. And then it comes with one of these here, so if you have welding sticks, you could use the welding sticks. Didn't come with any welding sticks, so we will be using the feeder. Here is the feeder here. So we're going to have to run this over here. We'll run through there. And then we have the ground, and we have a little cleaning brush, so we can clean up and tap and clean our weld when it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and set this all up, and we're going to go ahead and try to weld that little guy there. He's got some metal pieces that have come loose, so you'll see me welding in the next video. So looks good to me. Let's see. Actually, I'll show you guys how we put this up here. Just might as well get through some of the basics. Well, we got you on video. Okay, so this is going to be here. Let me see how this will go. Can you guys see what's going on here? Yeah, so this is going to go down that way. Why is this not clipping on here? There it is. Okay, there we go. Now we got it on there. We've got this here. Let me clip off the end just because it's got a kink in it. There we go. Pull this back through here a little bit. And we'll go through this here and through our wheel. And I got to get it into the little hole. I don't have anything really to do it with, but I got to just try this again. Look at that, perfect fit. Okay, so now I've got it through there. We'll put this back up here, tighten it up. And it'll come out through here, so we'll put that in there. There's that. Okay, so there we've got it set up here, and then you can see here we have our different settings and everything like that to get it to weld. We have our strength and press 3 seconds light. So once it's plugged in, we'll have it welding.